back again with another one, this time with my beloved motorcycle and a fully loaded system from KRIEGA. KRIEGA has been synonymous with the world of adventure riding, adventure related activities, and they put out some fantastic gear. These guys have been doing it for as long as I remember. Growing up, we were all big fans of KRIEGA luggage system. We all wanted it on our motorcycles, and this, I think, is a dream come true for me to be able to have the entire US pack and OS pack on my motorcycle. The best part of this KRIEGA luggage system is its versatility. The way these components unfold and come together as one cohesive unit is something to die for, if you ask me. Over the years of using various luggage systems, I've only understood one thing as a demerit. Not taking away from any luggage manufacturer out there for motorcycles, but the biggest handicap, the biggest drawback that most luggage manufacturers have is the compatibility of luggage to the motorcycle and one component to the other. That is, if a manufacturer makes fantastic saddlebags, their tank bags and saddlebags may not work well together. If they make fantastic saddlebags, the tail packs and the adventure packs may not go well with the saddlebags, and so on and so forth. The way everything comes together in KRIEGA is something really remarkably nice, and this is something that we've all been waiting for, if you ask me. From my experience, I've understood that stick to one brand and its various components instead of going ahead and buying one thing from one brand and another thing from another brand and then figuring your way out. These fellows have done that job for you. They've figured the whole of the mounting system for you. What you see here is a 40-liter tail pack, and this is good on its own. Then you have a 30-liter tail pack, good on its own. You have two 10 liters. I have mounted them as saddlebags. I mean, I'm not supposed to be doing it, but then again, two 10 liters on both the sides, good on their own. And then there's a 5 for your tools, for your basic everyday carry items, and that is good on its own. All put together, one cohesive unit, fantastically conceptualized and then designed. And coming to the front, what you see here is an OS DRYPACK system. What you see in the tail section is a US. What you see up front is an OS. I have just gotten a set of OS adventure packs from MOTOGEAR, and they're 18 liters, and you will very soon see a video on that as well. But for today, I've just shown to you the versatility of the system. This is an adventure pack, not exactly a tank bag, but then again, converts or kind of evolves into a tank bag too, because of the base, because of this base that is attached to the tank. You can use this as an adventure pack, you can use this as a tank bag, you can use this as just about any kind of luggage system anywhere on your motorcycle. This thing can go on my tank grab rails or my tank guards. This thing can go on my saddle bag or saddle stays, and this thing can also sit on my tail section. Nothing like this, nothing out there in the market that can brag about versatility like this. And I'm kind of really in a very happy state of mind, because I get to see all of this mounted on my motorcycle. Of course, I could have spoken about it greatly because of the love that I have for adventure related gear on top of the table maybe, and then maybe felt a little sad that I wasn't able to mount it on my motorcycle. But luckily today, people at good folks at the store have just agreed to mounting all of this on my motorcycle, and man, oh man, this is something that I would definitely want to ride away with. Well, all said and done, this is something that I would highly recommend that all of you get, and that'll be the end of your worries. One complete luggage system on your motorcycle, a done and dusted deal. I will run you through all the details of these individual packs and in great detail. Videos coming your way. But for now, this video is just about how the whole of it looks on my motorcycle and my excitement that I would love to share. So if you guys are interested in checking these products out, these are available at MOTOGEAR store in Chennai, or you can definitely check the specs out online as well. Their website is www.motogearperformance.com, and they do a pretty decent job of putting all the information out there for you guys to see, to decide to choose, and nothing is really shoved down your throat. So this is for you guys to decide if you really would want a complete luggage system and not have bits and pieces hanging on your motorcycle from different manufacturers. So that's the whole of it. I shall definitely see you on the subsequent videos which talk about these individual packs. Until then, signing out for now. This is Ben. Ciao.